All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about directory, or dir, which displays a list of folders, files, and subfolders. So the first thing I want you to do is use one of the three options that I talked about in the previous video and get to command prompt. So I'm going to do window key R and then type in CMD, and I will pin this to the taskbar for the remainder of the course. That way we can get easy access to it. Okay, so let's open this up in full screen. So when you look at this, you can see, and for some reason, it's cutting off my screen here. So let me fix that real quick. Okay, so you see here you have the C drive, users, and then the name of your computer will be whatever the name of it is. The name of my computer is LearnTech Plus. Okay, now if I type in directory, or dir, now you can see I have all these different folders or directories. Really, they're called directories, but they change the name to folders to simplify. But you see here it's dir. So anything that's a folder is a directory. Okay, so we have desktop, documents, downloads, favorites, Google Drive, LearnTech Plus, Dropbox, links, music, OneDrive, pictures, save games, searches, and videos. Okay, so that is the directory. And it's not even the directory. It displays a list of folders and subfolders. So what I want you to do is we're going to learn a different command, and then we're going to go more in depth on it in the next video. So CD, and then type in desktop and hit tab. Okay, now type in directory, or dir. Okay, so you can see here I have thumbnails, I have two blank directories here, and then just thumbnails. Okay, so again, that's how you look. And if we want to clear this out, let's do CLS, and I'll do CD ... and that'll take me back to where we were before. So now I'll type in dir, and now you can see again we have all the directories here. Okay, so again, the point of this is dir is like a list of folders and subfolders. Okay, and it also shows files as well, because like right here we have a readme.mdgit, which is git, mm.cfg, .vim info, etc. Okay, so again, that's the idea behind using the list command, is you can list the folders and subfolders in this directory. So in LearnTech Plus, this folder, I can view all these. Now, if you wanted to see the GUI version of this, we type in Explorer, ... and now it'll take us to where we're at. And then you can see right here, let me open this up again, just so you get a visual aid. So if I open up LearnTech Plus, these are all the folders and files that are being shown here. Okay, so it's basically the same thing. So basically what you're doing when you're in here is you're just working in here and viewing a list. So it's like you're in the Explorer, but you're doing it in command prompt instead of in the GUI, the graphical user interface. So it looks a little bit different because it's all the same, you know, but it's black and white in this example, and nothing really stands out. You can't really tell what's what. So if you're visual like I am, I prefer this. But when I found command prompt, when I found terminal for Mac and Linux, when I found PowerShell and Git Bash for Windows, I didn't want to use this anymore because this is so much faster. So in the next videos, I'm going to show you how to create some really cool stuff inside of command prompt. All right, so let's type in CLS, and I'll see you in the next video.